Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kelly, and today's video is going to be a full face Milani cosmetic video. I really just have been feeling Milani lately. You know, they came out with so many great products this year and last year. Just really feeling them and just really wanted to dedicate this video to them. I'm loving their products right now. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I am already primed. You know, I got my moisturizer going, and I'm just gonna jump right into the foundation. This foundation is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer. As you guys can see, you know, I have been using this thing. Look, she's been used for show. This is in the shade Golden Toffee, and this is 2 pumps that I have here on my flat top, and I'm gonna just go ahead and you guys, I love this foundation, number one, because you don't have to use any sort of color corrector with this if you don't want to. It's literally like what the bottle says, conceal and what does it say? Conceal and perfect. You really don't have to. Look at that. It's the coverage. Hey guys, I am back. I've let that Milani foundation sit and it oxidizes a lot, so I just want to give you a heads up. I don't know if it's just the color that I have or what, but it does oxidize a little bit. And so now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm using their Retouch and Erase Concealer in Honey. Now I love this is one of my favorite concealers, actually. It's actually a thinner base, I feel like. Definitely thinner than what you're used to, I feel like. Or maybe it's this sponge ball that's on the end that it just feels really good on your skin, and it applies it so like thin. Like, let me just see. It's not like other concealers. I'm gonna tell you that now. So I really like this concealer, but this ball, and I don't know if you guys have ever tried the Maybelline Age Rewind one, the one with the ball in the end, that concealer. It's not like that. The Age Rewind one, it has more texture to it, I feel like, and I don't like the way that it feels. But this one, it definitely has more of a texture of a beauty blender, but a really smooth beauty blender. Not like just a beauty blender, but like it feels, I don't know, it's just really smooth and I like it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out, and I did spray my brush just a little bit with a little bit of some setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this nice and blended. Okay guys, so I went ahead and blended out that Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer out in Honey. Look how it just sits. It's so pretty, guys. Look at. And I'm so sorry, I still got some texture going on. The weather is still horrid. It's just crazy. It's crazy here, and my skin is definitely affected by this bipolar weather that we've got right now. So yeah, let's move on to setting powder. Now this is a new setting powder from Milani. This is what it looks like right here. It's a translucent banana powder, and I believe, I want to say I got this from Walmart. I can't remember if I got it from Walmart or if I got it offline. I can't remember, but I do know that this was priced at $11 on their website. So $11 for this translucent banana powder. Let's see, Sasha Cosmetics, their banana powder is, I think, $20 to $22. The Black Radiance one was like $7.99. And this one is $11. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that on my face. Now this is my first time using this, guys, so you know, I'm opening it. You guys are seeing me open this. And so it comes with, I did take off, it had a little plastic covering right here. But so this is what it looks like. It has two different sides, and the powder is actually more yellow than what I thought it was gonna be. It's much more yellow than what I thought it was gonna be. It's really interesting. It almost has an orange tint to it. Almost, just a little bit. But it is finely milled. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna mix the setting powder with anything else. Like I said, I'm gonna try and stick with the theme, Full Face Milani, if I can. And so I'm putting it on my brush here. Got some here. And this is literally my first time using this powder. Never used it before. Hi guys, I am back. I'm all done. You know, I set my face. You guys saw that. I set my face and I went ahead and set my eyes because I'm gonna do, you know, eye look as well with this brand, and I'm going to use the Milani Bold Obsessions. This is a brand new palette from them. This is actually what their packaging looks like, and I have been waiting to dive into it, and this is the back of it. These are the shades, but this packaging is so pretty, you guys. I just think it's so pretty, and this is what it looks like as it's opened. Look at these shades, they're so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do a cute little eye look for you guys, and the first shade I'm gonna jump into this shade here, and that is called Sweet as Honey. I'm gonna go ahead and place that, place that on my lid, acting as a transition shade. So pop that literally all over my lid, guys. I like this little mirror too. Okay guys, so the next two shades that I'm gonna use is going to be this dark shade here in Little Black Dress, as well as this brown shade here called Brunettes Have Fun. And what I'm gonna do with those two, I'm literally gonna pop those on the outer corner of my eye together though. I'm gonna mix them together just a little bit. And I just wanna pop it here. Place it, and then I'm gonna blend it. Hey guys, so I am back. I went ahead and blended out that black, the Little Black Dress, along with the Brunettes Have Fun. I put it on my outer corner, blended it around, and then I also went ahead and added this color here, which is called Blazing Hot. It's so pretty. It's this one right here. I went ahead and added that there, and then I'm gonna top it off with this glitter, and it's called Glamour Glitter, literally, from Beauty Treats International Co. And this is in the shade 03 Pink. I got this from Amazon a while back, so I kind of been waiting to play with it, and literally I'm just gonna pop it on top of Blazing Hot, on the top there of that color, and I'm just gonna put, you know, start to tap it on top just to give a little shimmer, not too much, but just enough to where she can be seen a little bit. Okay. Shout out to Mary Kay, by the way. Love this mirror. Thank you. Thank you so very much to the Mary Kay representative. And I'm just gonna pop it on top, guys, just to give it a little bit of shimmer, Like, hello. And this is what it looks like. The glitter. So you guys can see. It's like pink, but it has like these green little flecks in it as well. So I like it. And I'm gonna continue to pop that glitter on top, and then we're gonna move on to the next step, which will be blush and then lips, and then we will be done. Okay guys, I am back. So I went ahead and added that glitter. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna just say, this glitter is everything. And that little glitter I showed y'all was $1.99. So I highlighted, as you guys can see, super you know, lit up right now. Let me go ahead and blend this in. She's not blended like she should be. But I went ahead and used the Milani Strobe Light Afterglow, and I put it on first, and then I put the blush on top, and I just like it that way. It looks super, super cute. And this blush from Milani is called Red Vino. This line of blushes that they have, y'all, I can't, and see, look, it's like all gone off the front, but there's a few blushes that looks like this. This is what it looks like, and then it has like the marble highlight throughout. These blushes are so pigmented. These came out like probably like 2-3 years ago now, but these are so pigmented, and literally one of my favorite blushes on the planet, the Milani blushes like this. Red Vino for dark and warm skin tones. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So as you guys can see, I added my brows, added my lashes. Now let's jump on to the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and line real quick. And this is, again, this is a eBay lip liner. These came in like a pack of 10 or 15, and I think they were like $7. And so they had lots of pinks, lots of berry colors, a couple browns, and I think a couple blacks too. Like classic lip liner colors is what that deal came with. I'm gonna continue to line because I am using lipsticks today. Okay guys, so I went ahead and lined it up. I got so much texture going on, guys. Okay, so these are the two Milani lipsticks that I'm going to use. Both are matte. Now, this one is called Matte Orchid. This is what she looks like, Matte Orchid. And then this one is called Matte Darling. I love both of these, and I feel like they're gonna go bomb with this look. See, this is like a baby pink, and this is not. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna use Matte Orchid on the outside, and I'm gonna just kind of do a little bit of an ombre effect. And how I'm applying this is I'm using the pointed part just to go around the outside of my lid. Same thing with up top. I'm gonna go around the edge. Okay. Isn't that super pretty, guys? I love this shade. So now in the center, I'm gonna put Matte Darling. See? Look it, guys. Kind of gives a little bit of an ombre effect. This is so cute. So thank you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys so very much. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my face up with this setting spray, and then you guys can see the reveal. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And don't forget to hit the bell on the way out. And I will see you guys during the next video, bitches.
Jack it up.